有时候都会你听嘛过，你推你这第四个国台，拉回来，推了漂拉子别个呢，一我的几只是，人家你我嘛的，你没皮过错大喽。啊，你过嘛，绝对可罗皮过点嘛，拉回妈妈推推妈妈那里，我比如可惜的嘛叫，家母可的嘛叫的嘛有手的嘛我都在副业个了嘛，你们都搞个皮过。In
Joshua chapter 2, there's a story of Jericho being overtaken by Joshua's men and about Rahab.
We see
in this passage a promise or a covenant between Joshua and Rahab that if you hang this red cord outside the window, that you and your family will be saved. We also see that the Israelites circled Jericho 6 times in 6 days and then 7 times on the 7th day. At the end of the 7th day, the 7 times, the walls fell down. So as Joshua had promised for that family, or the spies had promised, everybody in Rahab's house was saved. If they didn't come in, they weren't saved, but all who were in that house were under that protective covering.
And God
The entire city was under a complete annihilation mandate. So if you weren't in there, everybody outside those walls would die. And then we read further in Joshua 6:18 the fulfillment of this promise and this covenant to Rahab and all with her.
And
it didn't matter if you're an adult or a child, if you were in the house, you were spared, and they were not allowed to be touched by Joshua and all of his troops.
So as
the people who were in Rahab's house had to listen, obey, and follow, the promise had conditions. You had to be in the house. In the same way today, that Jesus is that red line for us. He is the one who died on the cross, and if you will follow and love and obey him according to what he said and follow that, you are under the blood of his protected under his blood.
So as we
our observance of this is to recall and remember that we were actually set free and come under his protection, the blood of Jesus, whenever we partake of the Lord's body and the bread and the cup. So as we partake of the bread and the cup, let us examine our hearts. Is there anything in your heart that you need to make right and get back on the right track with God? Do that, and let us remember what Jesus did for us on the cross to set us free from the penalty and the punishment of sin.
我个信话米家师傅历史来的讲。
So if the elders would come forward.
想